My name is Mahsa Salimi. I'm co-founder and CEO of Sentient. We make agricultural machines smarter. Labor shortage is a chronic challenge in agriculture, which accounts for 40% of total farming costs and dramatically have declined over the last decades. This has been exacerbated by COVID-19 and climate change, and results in more than $3 billion in global annual revenue loss for the farmers. So growers more than ever rely on innovative solutions such as automation or robotics to make and to tackle their labor challenges. These are a few examples of using robotics for farming operations such as harvesting, planting, or spraying. However, despite the current advances in technologies, these machines tend to be limited because they have minimal perception and computational power. So they are only good at one thing and one thing only, as you can see here. So the goal to make farming operation more efficient with less costs remains the ultimate goal for automation. At Sentient, we use AI as a service through machine learning, state-of-the-art machine learning and computer vision solutions, and infuse AI in robots so they can perceive and process data and be efficient to recognize different objects around the farm, especially within the complex environments. Our product consists of pre-trained machine learning frameworks and APIs for vision. And we help small and medium technology companies to automate labor-intensive and repetitive tasks in farms, such as continuous scouting and monitoring. These are a few examples of our machine learning models in action, and our high accuracy and the fact that we automate different tasks, such as, for example, yield estimation, as you see here, enables the end user growers to have up to $80 per acres saving for early crop stress detection, accurate estimation and forecasting, plus anomaly and disease detection, as you can see here. We're targeting precision agriculture, which projected to get to 6 billion by 2026. This is part of a total addressable market of 168 billion in agricultural equipment. The market includes things like AI in agriculture, all of the different machines, such as auto harvesters, plus IoT devices for plant production or irrigation equipment. North America is the leader in the agricultural robotic market, followed by Europe and Asia Pacific. For our product launch and market segmentation, we're going after certain type of companies within the market. These are ag technology companies with IoT and SaaS solutions, robotic companies with multifunctional robots in different industries, including agriculture, farm robotic companies that have a specific ag machine, such as a fruit harvester, and finally, AI platforms that need support in their AI production pipelines. We have a few paid pilot launch for spring and summer 2022 for North America, Canada, and US, but also for LATAM in a few different countries, including Peru and Chile. For our business model, we're using B2B, so we're selling to technology companies. We are using AI as a service, which is a relatively new trend for our business model, and we use rev share and subscription to sell our product. As far as the competition, there are a few important factors: the exclusivity of AI models, meaning general AI, versus expert AI, but also the diversity of the APIs. Most of the players have general AI approach and have solutions for different industries, such as retail, e-commerce, etc. To our knowledge, Sentient has the first player advantage in the region, Pacific Northwest, who is using AI for the niche market of agriculture, because the general AI application doesn't apply to agricultural data because these data tends to be inconsistent and needs specific solutions. Our team has...
Yeah, 1 minute left, yeah.
Okay, for sure. I'm just going to finish it up. So the team, we have more than a decade of experience in AI, robotics, and data. Our co-founder is an expert in computer vision, previously founded scaled AI products. I have a PhD in machine learning and robotics. We both have technical foundation, but I have unique insights about agriculture. We're also supported by a group of advisors and serial entrepreneurs. And finally, I'm just going to talk about the ask. We have about 500K of commitment funding, and our plan is to raise for our seed round by the end of the summer after more infill testings from hopefully value-added investors who share the same vision with us. We are going to use and continue working on product development and data acquisition strategy, and going to be net positive by 2024. Thank you very much.